Southern draw know how to load up a gun. I need a bitch from the sticks who can saddle me up and ride all night in a shitbox truck. I need a cowgirl, don't want a bitch from the club, don't want a bitch from the islands, I need a bitch from the brugs. I need a cowgirl, come and saddle me up, come and show me some things, baby, show me some love. Man, I'm a sucker for French tips and manicure toes, little bitty shoulders who shorter than 5'4". I like my girls real country who step with them boots on, driving through the pine trees, rolling on back roads. Who knows? I know I love it when she riding me